What's going on, guys? It's your main man James here, and today I want to show you a really good opportunity that has nothing to do with ClickBank, has nothing to do with CPA marketing. It's a completely different affiliate marketing strategy, one that you may not have heard about before, so definitely pay attention in this video. And so if you Google travel is opening up, you have travel is slowly opening up. When will international travel return? You can scroll down. Everybody is excited that travel is opening up, etc., etc. And this gives us an opportunity to make money because of this new trend. And we don't need ClickBank, we don't need Carousel, we don't need MaxBounty. We're gonna work directly with the businesses, okay? And so if you go back to Bing or Google or anyone else, your favorite search engine, you can simply type travel affiliate marketing programs, and we have a bunch of lists. 18 best travel affiliate programs, 25 best travel, 10 best travel affiliate programs. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna click the first result, and we have a list. But before I show you the list, I just want to show you something. In 2019 alone, spending on leisure tourism passed 4.6 trillion with 1.5 billion international tourist arrivals recorded in that year. So these are the best travel affiliate programs. You can take a look and you can get an idea. There's Expedia, Booking.com, Agoda or Agada, Tripadvisor, Amazon Associates, Hotels.com. And it's really easy, right? You can just simply go to Booking.com. You can just type that in. You're going to scroll down all the way down and you are going to search for affiliate. Become an affiliate. You're going to click on this. Very simple. Join now for free. There's more than 1 million reasons to join us. And by reasons, we mean accommodations from hotels, homes, to trains and tree houses, right? So I use Booking myself for almost all my bookings and even for airline tickets also. And this is 100% true. And here you can sign up and you can actually promote them. But let's say you want to promote Expedia, right? Expedia is a great program. You can just type Expedia affiliate program. Right? If we do that, let's type that Expedia affiliate program. You can just go down here, Expedia affiliate program. You can click on that. Earn, optimize, and grow with the Expedia Group affiliate program. And you can promote it on all of these sites: Expedia, VRBO, Hotels.com, Orbitz, Travelocity, eBookers. Right? You can just join, follow the steps, and you're gonna get your affiliate links. And you can sign up for all of these if you want. You know, it depends what you're going to be promoting. You have hotels, it could be for hotels, Booking could be for booking, Expedia could be for, trips, Tripadvisor, all of these, or you could just pick a handful, doesn't really matter. And what's nice about it is that we're not working through an affiliate program. We're not working through ClickBank. We're not working through any of these middlemen. And the other nice thing about it is that people use these products, right? This is not some ClickBank product that nobody may have heard about before. People actually use these products. I use Booking for all hotels and sometimes for flights. Last flight I actually booked Booking. I used Booking to book it, so I really like them. Now, what you guys need is a traffic source, right? You need you need people to actually go to these sites through our referral link in order for us to make money, right? Because we have the offer. We have the flow, but we don't have the traffic. And I'm going to show you where you can get the traffic. But before I do that, I want to show you a really great site called Tripadvisor. I don't know if you heard about this site. This is a great site. And what I really use this site is for reviews. So for instance, let's say I want to book, a night in this hotel, right? Faena Hotel, Miami Beach. I typically, what I do is I review reviews. I don't typically use the site for booking, but what I do is I read reviews, right? So it says here, number 5 out of 241 hotels in Miami Beach. There's some pictures, and I can look at the pictures. Look at that beautiful beach pool, and then there's the beach there. This is probably their area here. I can scroll down. This is the interior. Looks great. Sounds like I'm gonna have a great vacation if I book in here. The other thing that I use the site for is for forums, right? So if I go in here, there's the travel forum. So I can say, welcome to Miami Beach forum. There's read this first. This is not like a true Miami Beach transportation guide. Okay, so how do I get to Miami Beach from the airport, right? So I can click on that. I can go in here and I can read more about it. They have, things, they have discussions. It's really great because they have discussions on lots of places you go in the world. Very useful. But what the other thing that's really good about them is that they have a self-serving advertising platform. So if you Google for Tripadvisor self-serve advertising, you can click on this first link here, and you're going to be here. And what you guys want to do is you want to click on this. Tripadvisor Media Manager is available now via TripadvisorMediaManager.com. If you click on that, you're going to be directly on their portal for their self-serving advertising program. Now, what is a self-serving advertising program? It's actually very simple. This is like Facebook's advertising portal. You do it yourself. You're not getting on a call and talking to somebody and telling them, hey, I want to, buy this. I want to buy this ad. Get me this, get me that. You do it all yourself. So if you've done Facebook ads, you've done Google ads, you watch any of the videos in regard to how to create ads on those platforms, then you're familiar with this. It's the same thing. And you can create an account, you can log in. So I'm going to log in. I already have my account. I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a campaign here in order to promote those other affiliate programs. So I'm going to log into my account. All right, so I'm logged into their self-serving advertising platform. The first thing that we want to do is we want to go here and say new ad campaign. Okay, very, very simple. And you guys are going to love this interface. Really intuitive interface. And we're going to create our new ad campaign. We're going to say this is going to be a name. This is going to be campaign 1. Just going to say that platform is going to be mobile. And we're going to click on select targeting options. Okay, and here's we have the targeting options. We can do all destinations for $12 per 1,000 impressions. We can do destination retargeting, $15 per 1,000. City destinations, $24. Behavioral targeting, country destinations, state region destinations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all destinations, okay? Allows for option to target all TripAdvisor's destination content. Now, if I'm just targeting, let's say I want to target Miami tourists because I'm promoting a Miami kind of thing, then I can do state region, but it's going to be a little bit more expensive. I can also do country destinations, okay? So I'm just going to do all destinations. I'm going to hit confirm. And now once I do that, this is chosen here. I can change it, and I'm seeing some data here, right? I'm seeing my ad details. I'm seeing my budget, so I can enter a budget. Let's say I have a budget of $50. $50 is going to get me 4,166 impressions, okay? That is the price that I chose because I'm paying $12 per 1,000. So if I put $12, I get exactly 1,000 impressions. Now, in advertising speak, anytime you have per 1,000 impressions, that's called a CPM. So in this case, this is 12 CPM. So let's say I want $50 just to test things out. I have a start date. This looks good to me. Now the targeting, right? So let's say I want to target United States. Okay, I want only United States people, right? Because, these people have the more disposable income. There's going to be a higher chance of getting a sale, conversion, right? It's better traffic than lots of other traffic. And then we have to add creatives, right? We need to create, so I can build a creative and I can upload my creative. Now, let's say I want to upload the creative. I need to select a size. 2 sizes available for me, 300 by 250. That's kind of like a square, or 320 by 50. And that's going to be a kind of this horizontal kind of thing, right? So if I select that, this is the preview. But if I select that, this is what it's going to look like. So we're going to go into Canva and we're going to create an ad very, very quickly just to show you how everything is done. And then we're going to upload that and we're going to finish our campaign. So here I'm in Canva. I'm already logged in. We're going to say create a design. We are going to do a custom size. And we are going to say, what is it? 300. Let's take a look. 300 by 250. That is what we're going to do. So it has a medium rectangle ad. So it already has the setting for that. Now this is done. Now we have all of these templates that we can use, right? So you can just drag and drop this. So this actually has a watermark. So if you don't want to use that one, you can drag and drop this one. This one doesn't have a watermark. How about this one right here? Also no watermark. So some are going to have watermarks. Some are not going to have watermarks, right? This one has a watermark. This image has a watermark. This doesn't have a watermark. So you can delete this and you can go into, images, photos here, and you can find another photo. So how about this girl right here? No watermark, right? So, but that is for fitness, right? We are doing for travel. So we're going to go back to templates and we're going to, how about something like this? And we can, change the text. Or actually, I like this one, to be honest with you. Drag and drop. Mr. Canoes, paddles. There's a picture of this guy paddling here on the canoe. And there's the URL. So you can change it. So you can say something like hotels in Miami. Let's say we're targeting Miami. In this case, we have United States, but we'd say Miami, right? Hotels Miami. and we can, remove this. We can just have that. And then we can go into image photos and we can drag and drop something like Miami, right? We can say beach. Actually, that's a good image, but maybe this one is better. Something like this. Now you can modify it, guys. You can do anything that you want. But once you're done, you're going to go to download. You're going to pick PNG and you're going to say download. Okay, it's going to render it for you and it's going to download it right here. As you can see, it's doing it right now. Okay, it's all done. We're going to go back to our campaign. We're going to drag and drop it here. Okay, I just did that. Upload your image. We don't really need to zoom. We don't need to do anything. We're going to hit save. And we have an ad, right? And now the destination URL is obviously going to be our affiliate link, right? So I'm just going to put google.com just to show you what's happening. You can also use a tracking link and you can see my BMOB tracking video that you're going to have in the description or in the video reminders. So you can click on that. You can have a tracking script if you want, and you can kind of read more about it. And then you can just hit save. And now you have one creative. Now you can create a new creative. You can just go upload your creative. You can have a new creative like this other 320 by 50. You can do the whole thing. And the other thing that I really like about it is you can go to creative best practices and it tells you, look at this. It gives you ideas. It says, look at this one. It says making better branded banners. You can kind of read about it. You can hit next. And it tells you, okay, this is great. This is great. Poor image quality. It tells you some of the problems, right? Don't do this, don't do that. And this is awesome. So it says do, don't. It tells you why. You guys should read that, right? Because they know what they're doing. You can hit next. Color palette. Hit next. Photography. Do, don't. Two stage. Unattainable for broad audience, right? Just unattainable. But these are attainable, right? You want to be relatable. Okay, so you can read that best practices, highly recommended. Now, the next thing you guys want to do is you want to click on checked availability. Okay, we're going to hit that. We're going to wait for a little bit. And it tells us, great news. The 4166 impressions you selected are available. You can increase the reach of your ad campaign. There are 30,370,876 impressions available. The next thing you guys need to do is you need to click this button. It's going to say add to cart. I already have this in my cart. And once you do that, you can go ahead and purchase this campaign, and then your ad is going to be shown all across the Tripadvisor properties, right? So as it tells you, if you click on check availability, you're going to see how many impressions there are available across all of their platforms. It's at 30 million. And so as you can see, it says 30,524,029 impressions available. So there's enough impressions for the 4,000 impressions that we chose to purchase here using this system. And like I said, you can promote lots of different offers, any kind of travel offers, but this is a good place to start because these are high quality sites with high quality products, high quality services. And best of all, people know about these products and services. People know that these products exist. There's brand recognition, and it's very, very easy to go ahead and promote these services. So definitely start with these. But if you have a better a travel affiliate marketing program in mind, you can go ahead and promote that. And that is the method I wanted to show you guys today. If you enjoyed this method, I would highly appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you thought about it. Give me your opinion, thoughts in the comment area below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.